Now continuation of the lecture on compound interest. Now the next problem I am going to solve. This question is, if the compound interest on a certain sum at 16 and 2/3% to third year is rupees 1270. Find the simple interest on the same sum at the same rate for the same period. So I am just writing the rate which is given to you, 16 and 2/3% rate. The compound interest 1270. Time is also mentioned 3 years. Now you need to calculate what simple interest for the same principal, same rate for same time. Okay, now what is compound interest formula? So my compound interest formula is A minus P. Clear? Okay. Now what is A formula? A formula is what? P 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to the power n minus of P. ठीक है. Now take P common. If you take P common, you will get 1 plus R की वैल्यू गिवन है. देखिए 3. R की वैल्यू कितनी है? 16. 2 by 3. 16 and 2/3 means 16 multiply 48 plus 2 50. So 50 by 3 divided by 100. Raised to the power 3 minus 1. Okay, because you take P common. Now here this P 1 plus this is 50 by 3 just below it. So this is this value. Okay, now this is gone. So 5 by 30. So 30 was a 30, 35 by 30. So your P value, your CI is what? P 35 by 30 raised to the power 3 minus 1. Okay, fine. And this CI is given to you. This is 1270. Now, with the help of this value, you calculate P value. So I am going to calculate 35 by 30 raised to the power 3 minus 1, and then this value comes 1270 equal to P, and this value comes 0.5879. If you divide this value, you will get your P value is 2160. So now the principal value, you know, this principal value, after solving this value you will get 2160. Now the same principle I am going to use to calculate simple interest. So simple interest formula is PRT by 100. P value is 2160. R value is what? 50 by 3. T value is 3 year. Divide by 100. 2 times gone. 2 and 2 gone. 2 ones are 2, 0, 8, 0. Now this amount is your simple interest for this problem. So this is a question where compound interest is given to you, but you need to apply the formula of compound interest like A minus P. You know the A formula. The A formula is your basic formula. A is what? P 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to the power n. This is my basic formula of compounded annually. Now this formula I am putting over here. This P remains same. Take P common. Then solve this equation by using your mathematics experience, and you will get P value is 2160. Once you know the principal sum, then you take this P to calculate your simple interest value. R is same as mentioned in the question. T is same mentioned in the question, and you will get simple interest is rupees 1080. Now I am moving to the next question, and this question is the difference between the compound interest and simple interest on a certain sum at 10% per annum for 2 years is rupees 631. Find the sum. Okay, तो यहाँ पर this is a mixed problem of simple interest, compound interest. आपको बोल रहा है compound interest, simple interest का जो difference है 2 साल का 10% रेट से वो है 631. First I am going to write what the value, what the data is given to you. So n value is 2 year, and one thing more given to you, compound interest minus simple interest value is 631. You need to calculate what P. ओके, सो आपको p निकालना है, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, आई एम यूजिंग दिस फॉर्म, दिस इक्वेशन एज माय बेस। नाउ इन दिस केस व्हाट इज माय CI formula? So CI formula is what? A minus p. Let p is x. Okay, let my p value is x. So A is what? A is p 1 plus r divided by 100 raised to the power n minus p. Since you assume that your p value is x, so I am writing this x 1 plus, what is your r value? R value is 10. So 10 divided by 100 raised to the power 2 minus p is again x. So this is what 0 0 gone. This is 10 11 by 10. So x 11 by 10 raised to the power 2 minus of x. So take x common. So you will get 11 square 121 divided by 100 minus of 1. So this value is 100 121 21 by 100 x. So my CI value is what? CI value is 21 by 100 x. So this is my CI value. Now what is my SI value? So SI value is what? PRT divided by 100. So PRT divided by 100 means P value is x. As I assume this R value is 10, T value is 2 here, divide by 100. So this one gone. 2 5 is 10. So SI value is x by 5. So now you know your SCI value is 21 by 100x, SI value is x by 5. I am using this equation to solve my problem. So CI value is 21 by 100x minus SI value is x by 5. That is equal to, difference is given to you 631. So take LCM. LCM is 100. So this is 1 times gone. So this is 21x minus 20 times gone. So it comes 20x is equal to 631. 21x minus 20, it comes x by 100, that is equal to 631. So what is your principal value? You need to cross multiply. This value is 63100. So this is the amount of your principal money, the sum money which asked in the question. Okay.